The following video will show you what to do when your income tax return ITR12 is rejected by SARS on eFiling due to a directive. If your return has been rejected by SARS due to a directive, the following will be displayed on your income tax work page. The eFiling status will be shown as rejected. The SARS status will tell you exactly what the issue is with your directive and what you need to do in order for the return to be processed. And the return type status will be directive rejected. The reasons for the rejection of directives are: the tax directive number captured onto the return is incorrect or invalid. The accrual date on the IRP5 does not correspond to the accrual date on the tax directive available to SARS. The lump sum source code on the IRP5 does not correspond to the tax directive source code available to SARS. The lump sum amount on the IRP5 does not correspond to the tax directive amount available to SARS. There is a finalized tax directive processed, but no lump sum amount is declared on the return. In all instances, when the return has been rejected, you are required to request the directive or IRP5 from the fund administrator, insurer, or your employer. The copy of the directive should indicate the directive number, source code, the year of assessment, and the amount that must be declared. Once the error has been rectified by the fund administrator, insurer, or your employer, you will then be able to submit the rectified return on eFiling once you have refreshed the data. Thank you for watching this video that shows you what to do when your income tax return ITR12 is rejected by SARS on eFiling due to a directive.